Hey y'all, I just got a phone call I wish I didn't answer. God damn, man, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. My partner just called me talking about, hey man, what you say on the weapon, man? Not knowing that this man finna literally come and drop his puppies off for me to whip. I'm like, I can't really say nothing because I already know that they don't really know much about it. But I'm like, bruh, I ain't trying to whip your little boo. But hey, let me get up, do what I can do to try to help these folk, man, help me, and let's see what's going on, man. I talked to him, he said a few of the puppies got cleft palate, which is like a hole in their mouth or nose. I haven't seen the dogs yet, so I don't know where is it. But I told him, man, that right there, those dogs usually don't live. But we just gonna see how it go, man. Like I say, y'all, it's a non-stop thing with these dogs. This ain't even my dogs, man, but when you in it, man. The love for the dogs just overweigh everything, man. You gotta just do what you got to do to help others too, man. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's a bad week for me too, man. But we working till it work, man. I always make stuff work, so we gonna figure it out, man, and go from there. Mr. TTP, so son and done, we just having fun. And by the way, I'm in a new look. We always working on something, man. We always working on something, so yeah, dog. Y'all, I'll show y'all this junk on another video, man. But today is about to be a dog pen. Well, it's really turned into a dog pen already. You can see, shoot, I had to have my dogs in here for a couple days, man. It was so hot outside. It's the summertime. And you know them dogs can't be out there in the heat, man. And I had to move them in for a couple days until I got my mister, which has been, man, keeping them dogs cool. And they haven't been in the house ever since. But yeah, man, we're gonna see what's going on when these folks get here, dog.
What's up, Chef?
What up? Man, if I knew that was y'all calling me for, I would never answer the phone for y'all later, man. Yeah, no, she don't bite though, don't she? Well, she straight.
I guess with certain people, man.
Huh?
DJ Rubber,
Yeah.
she probably straight with you.
Yeah, no, that bitch probably under medicine still. What you think she gonna do when she wake up?
Straight.
Oh,
Scott,
man.
you wanna see?
Shit, I don't know who.
Scott.
Hey, man. They gonna with a damn killer. Let me see what these looking like, though. A female right here. Well, you know what you looking at, man. So you know what's going on. Yeah. That little motherfucker tiny right there.
I think that might be the smallest one right there.
Nah, it look like a small one in here. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's what I said. This motherfucker, man. Yeah, that motherfucker. Oh, yeah, fool. I don't know what the fuck. I ain't never seen no puppy this small, fool. Yeah, and it's all through the nose. Yeah, I'm telling you what that junk gonna do. Y'all know that.
They were talking about surgery.
Surgery.
Get the clap.
I never heard nobody do it before. You know what I'm saying? I know one of my partners was talking about doing it, but I think he was gonna do it when she got a little older. But you know, she still lived though. But he still never do it. Damn, it's a crazy ass track. That motherfucker ain't got clip. Ooh, it's a male, nah, female. God damn, fool. This bitch hard. Yeah, there you go. That little bitch hard, fool.
That's that red hoe. I told you.
Chocolate trap, man. Yeah, man. You already know that motherfucker probably don't make it. Off top. Let me see. Y'all got a motherfucker though with that trap. They get straight. Yeah, y'all straight. Don't. This girl snuck out this cage. Now this is a different level messing with another nigga dog, man. Hey, get away from me. I don't even really trust you like that. I don't know what you want. You feel me? I really hate to beat you up in this damn house. Come on. I'm trying not to touch your ass because you really scaring me. Get in there. Get in the cage. Hey, for y'all have to see me beat this dog up. Hold on, bro. Lamont, please. What's wrong with you? $3 a.m., man. 3 a.m. I know I couldn't really show y'all how the pups was looking down there because I didn't have my flash on, but check them out. This one right here has clipped palate. As you can see, you know that's the hole in his nose and in his mouth. It go all the way down in his throat, man. Like it's most dogs with clip don't live, but people have saved them. You can see that. But people have saved them, man. I haven't had any luck with it, but here go another male. He looks pretty straight. I'm tired, y'all. He looks pretty straight and healthy. About to actually go and feed them again, but I had to bring them upstairs just to make sure they got more than enough heat. I be cutting the oven on, as well as I got a heater too. I wasn't prepared for this, y'all, but it's all good. I feel like I'm an expert. I've been through this plenty of times, man. Try chocolate, try female. She gonna be nice, man. She gonna be nice. Then they got a male. He's pretty solid. No clip on him. And then they got this little girl right here, man. I never seen a puppy this small. I think it's pretty much already kind of, you know, over with for this one. I hate to say it, but you know, she has clip as well. But she's super, super small, as y'all can see. she already kind of out of it. So I doubt if she make it, man. I already everything to those guys, man. Shout out to my guys, man, because they've been waiting a long time for their first litter. This is their first litter. You know, I'm trying to do my best to make it happen for them, man. It was a bad week for me because I'm very busy this week at the barbershop. It's back to school week, man. So, but I'm gonna figure it out, man. We working until it work. TTP. On another note, that junk just snapped at me, bro. It's over with. I ain't even going. I took my time and opened it and just tried to rub it through the cage. And man, luckily I moved so fast. But I can tell this dog right here, no sir, I don't even like her energy. Man. I felt it, you know what I'm saying? Cause when I just let her out, she wasn't gonna let me put her in the cage. No, I ain't even fucking with this junk. No sir. I ain't letting her out, dog. It's over with. I ain't gonna lie, I'm so proud of myself, man, because I don't know how my reflex happened like that so fast. Like, ooh. I ain't gonna. Man, I'm glad, because if I was trying to record and show y'all this, man, y'all would have seen my whole hand gone. I ain't even messing with that. See, she's still like in defensive mode, man. I ain't even playing like that, bro. I ain't gonna even lie. I ain't even, yeah. She ain't wagging her tail or nothing. Nah, little mama. And I don't know if it's because of the food in there, but I ain't even taking no chances, man, cause, nah. I ain't doing that. That's the last little straw right there, my brother. All it takes is one chance. One chance. I ain't my dog. I ain't even messing off like that. I tried to help my partner. Tried to help him, but hell no. Hell no, dog. Girl, ooh. No, sir. You said what? Why is y'all wide awoke at 4:30 in the morning, bruh? You got a job?
Yeah, she got to take pictures tomorrow. It's 4 in the morning. We doing it in the morning.
I know. That's. I already been asleep. I woke up.
I told y'all I was not opening this goddamn cage. I told y'all I wasn't opening this cage, man. I'm about to grab this bottle. They gonna have the project. I don't come get these junks in the morning. I ain't don't even care about that. The homie right here, I don't know. Got him in the heat on, but he shit kind of look skimpy, man.